Sip like a pro. Longhi Magnifica Plus, 18 Café-Style drinks at home with one touch of magic. Step up your coffee experience with the Longhi Magnifica Plus fully automatic espresso machine. This powerhouse delivers 18 one-touch, customizable recipes, from rich espressos and velvety lattes to refreshing iced coffees, all crafted effortlessly at home. With its built-in conical Burr grinder and automatic LatteCrema frother, you get café-quality drinks tailored to your taste. Forget long coffee shop lines and expensive lattes. Magnifica Plus saves you time, money, and hassle while turning every cup into a masterpiece. Brew like a barista, no experience needed. Your coffee, your rules. With up to 4 user profiles, this machine remembers your favorite drinks and customizations, like size and intensity, to deliver your perfect brew every time. The 3.5-inch full-touch, color display is as intuitive as it is sleek, guiding you through every step with ease. Whether you're craving a bold Americano or a creamy cappuccino, Magnifica Plus delivers with precision. And its adjustable milk frother ensures everyone in your household, whether they love light foam, creamy froth, or dense foam, gets their dream drink. Longhi's craftsmanship shines through in every detail. The built-in grinder offers 13 settings to ensure your beans are ground to perfection, extracting maximum flavor and aroma. Unlike competitors, the Magnifica Plus features a durable design with dishwasher-safe parts, making it a breeze to clean and maintain. The LatteCrema system works seamlessly with both milk and dairy alternatives, so every cup is rich, creamy, and delicious. From first brew to the last sip, this machine consistently outperforms others in its class. Why splurge on overpriced cafe drinks when you can craft them better at home? The Magnifica Plus is an investment that pays for itself in no time, offering endless possibilities with minimal effort. Its energy-efficient design, customizable features, and durable components mean you'll enjoy premium coffee without the recurring costs of takeout. Perfect for families, households, or coffee enthusiasts, it's a cost-effective solution for creating barista-level beverages at your convenience. Designed with busy lifestyles in mind, the Magnifica Plus makes cleanup a breeze. Its auto-clean function and removable, dishwasher-safe parts ensure you spend more time enjoying your drink and less time scrubbing. With its durable build and user-friendly maintenance, this machine is built to last, offering premium performance day in and day out. Say goodbye to spills and complicated cleanups. Magnifica Plus handles it all with style, making every brewing experience seamless. With Longhi Magnifica Plus, you're not just brewing coffee, you're crafting memories. Elevate your mornings, impress your guests, and savor cafe-quality indulgence without leaving your home. This isn't just a coffee machine, it's a lifestyle upgrade.